time, space, reality. They are more than a linear path. They are a kaleidoscope of infinite possibilities. Every decision, no matter how small, can branch out into infinite realities, birthing countless alternate realities. I am the Watcher, your guide through these vast new realities. Step into the unknown and ask yourself, what if?
All right, picture this. You're on MasterChef Extreme Edition, and your challenge, cook a delicious meal at the bottom of the ocean. Sounds ridiculous, right? But hey, if you've ever dreamed of making spaghetti in the Mariana Trench or flipping pancakes next to a giant squid, this is the video for you. But wait, can you even light a fire underwater? Would your ingredients survive the crushing pressure? And what happens if a curious shark decides you are the main course? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what would happen, and trust me, it's a recipe for disaster. Let's start with the basics. The ocean isn't exactly a chef's paradise. At the bottom of the ocean, it's dark, like pitch black. You'll need some serious lighting just to see your ingredients, let alone cook them. And, oh, the pressure. Forget about opening a jar of marinara. Down here, it's like trying to cook while an elephant sits on your chest, literally. At depths of 10,000 feet, the pressure is over 5,000 pounds per square inch. Fun fact, that's roughly the weight of 25 grand pianos stacked on top of you. Hope you brought a reinforced apron. Now let's tackle the obvious question. Can you even light a fire down here? Short answer, nope. Long answer, definitely not. Fire needs oxygen, and the bottom of the ocean, not exactly known for its fresh air supply. So unless you brought a portable welding torch and a mini oxygen tank, you'll be dining cold tonight. I hope you like sushi. There's some cool tech though. Scientists use underwater welding techniques involving a special shielded arc, but let's be real, are you going to arc weld your salmon? Doubt it. Okay, let's assume you somehow managed to light a fire. What about your ingredients? Bad news? The pressure at these depths will absolutely destroy them. That juicy steak you brought, it'll look more like a pancake in seconds. And don't even get me started on eggs. They'll crack faster than your patience trying to make an omelet underwater. In fact, researchers studying deep-sea environments have found that even metal containers can get deformed under such pressure. Your Tupperware? Forget it, it's now Tupper flat. Let's say by some miracle, you've got fire and intact ingredients. Here's your next problem, heat transfer. Water is an amazing heat conductor, which means it'll suck the heat out of your cooking surface faster than you can say burnt toast. Translation? Your food will take forever to cook. So unless you've got 12 hours to spare for a soggy steak, you're out of luck. But wait, it gets better. You're not alone down here. Deep sea creatures like giant squids, anglerfish, and crabs the size of your dog are just waiting for a free meal. And guess what? You're the chef and the buffet. Imagine flipping a burger while a 10-foot squid casually wraps a tentacle around your stove. Talk about pressure. Now, you might be wondering, why would anyone even try this? Well, deep-sea scientists and engineers do cook things underwater, not for fun, but for science. Experiments with hydrothermal vents show how extreme temperatures and pressures can create new materials, sterilize equipment, and even cook food in unique ways. So technically you could boil something if you found a vent hot enough. But cooking spaghetti near boiling sulfur water, not exactly appetizing. So what's the verdict? Cooking at the bottom of the ocean is pretty much impossible unless you're a science geek with a $1 million lab setup. But hey, it's fun to imagine, right? The ocean may be beautiful, but leave the cooking to your kitchen or at least your backyard barbecue. And remember, if you ever find yourself 10,000 feet underwater, skip the souffle and focus on survival.
Thank you for watching.